Hi everyone, Tom Moffat here. Now you're ready to complete the final step, step 6 of your personal financial plan. In step 5, you completed the action to be taken column for each of your financial goals. In step 6, you're to review and revise your personal financial plan, and you do that by updating your personal budget based on your step 5 action to be taken. And you should also think about what you've learned in the course that will affect your revised budget. I suggest that you complete another cash flow statement like the one you did in step 1, and that will help you create a realistic revised personal budget. For the 13.4 step 6 assignment, you upload your revised budget, fill in the revised budget on this copy of a Excel spreadsheet, and you upload that file and it'll go right into Canvas. Click on upload, upload the file, the Excel file, and it'll go right into Canvas. As a part of this assignment, you should also include a brief description of any significant revisions to the personal budget that you created in step 1. Well, if you have any questions about completing step 6, please let me know.